We are starting a new topic, Statistics 2. Today's lesson is Exercise 9C, Summary Statistics. I've highlighted what we're going to be covering this period. I would like to start off with a reminder of some concepts before we move into the new things. So the mean, you might remember, is the average. And to find it, we add up the data values and then divide by the number of data values. So for example, if we've got 3, 4, 2 and 3, I add them up. I always put them in brackets on the calculator or it'll give you the wrong answer. And then divide by the number of data values. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop that in the calculator and it equals 3. You might also remember the median, which is the middle number. To find it, we place the data in order and then find the middle. So we're going to do two examples. This first example, put the data in order. So we've got 1, 3, 5, 6, 6, 7, and 10. Then we find the middle, which is here. Same amount of data points on each side. So our median is 6. This next example, same thing, put the data in order. So we've got 17, 17, 22 is pretty much in order, 23, 27 and 27. Then find the middle. Okay, this time the middle is between two numbers, same amount of data points on each side. So what we need to do now is add those two numbers and divide by 2. Always put the brackets or it'll give you the wrong answer. So 22 and 23 equals 22.5. Now we're going to move on to the 5-figure summary. This is really important for this whole topic. A lot of things come back to this 5-figure summary, so it's important you know how to work it out. So it's basically 5 key numbers from the data. So we've got the minimum value, sometimes just called the min. So this is the smallest number. Then we've got the lower quartile, which is also called Q1. So this is the median of the lower numbers. Then we've got the median, or Q2. So median is obviously the middle number. Then we've got the upper quartile, also called Q3. So this is the median of the upper numbers. And then we've got the maximum value, or the max. So this is the biggest number. So if you're a visual person, this is what the 5-figure summary will look like when the data is in order from smallest to largest. So the smallest number is like the minimum down this end, and up the other end, the biggest number is the maximum. In the middle is our median at Q2. And then we've got down here the median of the lower numbers. So lower, median, and Q3 is the median of the upper numbers. So upper median. So let's try an example. Alright, the data is already in order from smallest to largest, so it's ready to go. So our smallest number, this is our minimum value. And the largest number is our max. So then we've got to work out the median. So that's the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means there's 5 on either side. So this here, this is the middle point of the data. So our median is 7 plus 9 divided by 2, which equals 8. So that's our median, or as it's also called, our Q2. Okay, next we need to work out the Q1. So that's the median of the lower values. So this is our lower values here. And the median of that, that's just the middle number. So that is this here, 3. That's Q1. And then the median of the upper values. So these are our upper values here. And the median is the middle. So that is 12. This is Q3. So that is basically the 5-figure summary. Let's have a go with this next set of data. Okay, so the smallest value is our minimum, and our largest value is our max. Then we need to find the middle number, which is our median. So this is the middle number here. There's 4 numbers on each side of it. So 9 is our median, also called Q2. Okay, then I need to find Q1, which is the median of the lower numbers. So this is the lower numbers, and the median is like the middle of these two. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equals 2.5. So that's Q1. And then I need to find the median of the upper numbers, which is here. So 10 plus 12 divided by 2 equals 11. So this is Q3. So our 5-figure summary, the minimums to Q1 is 2.5, Q2 is 9, Q3 is 11, and the max is 15. Now I'm just going to do the textbook example so that you really understand it. Okay, so the minimum is the smallest number. So I'm going to write them all out this time. So we've got our minimum is 2. Then we've got our largest number, which is our max. So our max is 20. Next, I've got my middle number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this here is our median. So 6 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 7. So that's our median, or Q2. So Q2 is 7. Then I need to find the median of the lower numbers, which is here. So that's just the middle, which is 4. So that is my Q1. So Q1 is 4. And then the median of the upper numbers, which is 13 here. So that is Q3. So Q3, 13. So there is my 5-figure summary. Last example. Okay, we're going to find the 5-figure summary again. So the smallest number is our minimum. So our minimum is 3. And our largest number is the max. So our max is 19. Then I'm going to find the median. I always do it in this order, so I get it correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is the median here, the middle number. So at 9, that's my median, or Q2. So Q2 is 9. Okay, now I need to find the median of the lower numbers here. So that's like the middle of these lower numbers, which is in between the 4 and the 5. So 4 plus 5 divided by 2 equals 4.5. That is Q1. So Q1, 4.5. And then Q3 is the median of the upper numbers. So between these ones here, 16 plus 18 divided by 2 equals 17. So my Q3 is 17. And there's the 5-figure summary done. There is a worksheet that I would like you to complete and submit to my Panola.